see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
So I'm going to show you this drill that's really going to help your horse with rate. So I've been doing this drill for a couple weeks now, and I have seen so much improvement. So first you want to do is approach your first barrel like you're going to in a run, and when you get about even with your first barrel, you want to stop, sit back, say whoa, let them calm down, give them a pet, and then you're going to continue barrel just like normal. Make sure you have your pockets, and make sure you look to your second barrel, and make sure you're going straight to your second barrel. And so when you're about to get even with your second barrel, you're going to want to stop and say whoa, sit back, and let them calm down. And when you're ready to continue, you're going to go around your second barrel as normal, and you want to go straight to your third barrel. And when you get to your third barrel, you want to do the same thing as the first and second. When you're about even with the barrel, you want to stop, let them settle, and continue with the barrel when you think they're ready to continue. So I've been doing this drill for a couple weeks now, and so I did it first when I started. I've been doing it 5 times walking, 5 times trotting, and 3 times cantering, and maybe once or twice without stopping to see how well the drill's working. So I hope you guys enjoyed this drill, and down below if you have any success with this drill. I know it's really helped out McFrost a lot. And later in the video, you'll see me trot it, canter it, and just do a canter through. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye!